You guys want a treat, huh? Is that what you guys are doing? You want a treat? Treats? Yeah? Let's get a treat. Change your sign also. It's at 13. Change it to 12. What are you doing, buddy? Why are you being so happy? I'm gonna pack some gifts. Gotta wrap some presents. Yeah. Find some space for it. You're so crazy, dude. I love you. Sign has been updated. Hey everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. My gosh, I can't believe it's been 13 days already. This Vlogmas season is seriously flying by so fast. So thank you everybody that has clicked the video, watched the video, watching every episode. I appreciate you all. You all are amazing. Thank you all for all the love I've been receiving. I sound like a broken record, but thank you. I can't do any of this without you guys. It's just, I'm having the best time doing Vlogmas, more fun than I've ever had making any videos. So thank you all for everything. It's been amazing being posting for a year, and then just doing this it's been like a breath of fresh air or something. And just, I don't know, it inspires me to keep going, if that makes sense. I don't know. I sound so cliche or something, but it's honestly true. So I look crazy right now. I threw on some Christmas lights and turned on the frosty because I haven't done that in a long time. So kind of looks bad over here. I apologize. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for the day, and I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe find something to eat or something, or we can go do that now. I'm not sure. Still, like, in a sweatshirt and sweatpants, but gotta get dressed at some point today. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go. And I'm unboxing a plant for Logan. He just got it in the mail, so let's try not to damage anything. Let me go get a tripod or something. Alright, let's try and open this without damaging anything. It's nicely wrapped, it looks like. In my pajamas. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, here they are. Nicely wrapped. This is I think the company right here. Let's see what it is. Because I myself have no idea. I just help in the garden. I'm not the plant person. Let's see. Oh. Right here is the plant. Not sure what it is, but it looks like it's damaged. I'm gonna have to message him. Those look damaged. I think they're packaging. I don't know. Let's see if this one is. I think that's the name of the plant, maybe, I don't know. I don't think this was the best way to wrap these plants, but we'll see if this one is damaged. This one looks a lot better than this one, but this one still looks like they damaged it. All right, I gotta take some pictures. I'll be back. So when I unwrapped this was like caught in there. It looks like this one is damaged, but this one here looks like it's okay. Maybe they're taped, but that looks like they're bent or something. And look who immediately got in the box. If I fits, I sits. What a cutie. Of course. They really don't look so good after I give them a little bit of water and stuff. Huh. I don't know if they packaged it very well or not. So I need to pick up some milk. I'll pick up some milk and then need to get some creamer. Which it is over here. Perfect, it's on sale too. Awesome. Well, they really changed the Lifesaver storybook, didn't they? It used to be like you used to get like 2 pages worth of Lifesavers, and now you just get like one thing. They really shrunk that down. Wow. So I've really procrastinated in the last hour. I did go eat lunch. If you like my shirt, I had a cup of noodles, and I made some more Christmas cards to go out to some friends that I'm seeing tonight at a Christmas party. While I'm wearing my Grinch top, I'm gonna wear my my Christmas necklace too. I need to go do dishes, but just trying to find the motivation, I guess. It ever struggles some days to even. I don't know. I'm struggling today. But, I guess I should have just had it on earlier, but I forgot. After I get done with the dishes, I think I'm gonna decorate or wrap some presents so we can do that together. I guess I'll speed through the dishes being done. I'm gonna finish my water, and yeah, I'll start here in a little bit.
round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight. Glory stream from heaven afar. Heavenly hosts singing Alleluia. Christ the
Okay, guys, hold on. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate the company. You guys rock. Alright, so I'm gonna like speed wrap, or speed through me wrapping some presents, because I have a lot here and it'd just be, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, I also have to wrap Logan's presents, but I'm not gonna film that because he watches the vlogs and he's trying to figure out what he got for Christmas. So I'm trying to keep it as much of a secret as I can. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll probably wrap his first, and then I'll go to the other ones, okay? So let's do this.
love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus' love
So I'm thinking of doing a live tomorrow. When you watch this today, Friday, I think it's the 13th. If you wanna join the live, put yes live, so I know people are gonna come. I was thinking about doing it around 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Ugh, I can't speak, but yeah, I would like to see if anybody would like to hang out for an hour, 30 minutes, something like that, along with Vlogmas. I don't know, maybe one of the two. We'll see. We shall see. Alright guys, I'm heading home. I just got out of a holiday party. I don't think I vlogged very much today. I apologize. This might be a short vlog, but headed home from a holiday party. Showed a little bit of the cookie decorating. I can kind of show you some things. Give me a second, let me turn you around. Just some fun little cookies. It's not like something amazingly done, but yeah, you see. Alright guys, so me and Leo want to wish you all a good night and thank you all for watching our adventures, and hope to see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye guys. Bye. Tell everybody bye. This is going chaotic. Leo, tell everybody bye. Not me, tell them bye. Alright, bye guys.